Hello and welcome to iNetwork Experts. My name is Bipul Roy. I'll be an instructor for CCNA routing and switching course. Okay, so guys, today we'll have a look on the topology side. So let's see what are all topology available. So first of all, we have to know what is topology all about. Topology is nothing but a network connectivity view. It could be logical or physical. Logical topology makes logical view and physical topology makes physical view. When we are doing the physical connectivity on the devices, how it looks like, that is basically called a topology. Okay, so we have some common topology for connectivity. We have a bus topology. Basically, different type of devices will be connected on a single line or a single cable. That is called bus topology. It is just a single cable and various devices are connected on the single cable or single line. Okay, so this is called a bus topology. It could be logical or physical. A logical topology will have a logical connectivity. Some physical connectivity may be hidden on it, but physical topology, basically the physical connectivity view. Uh, we are connecting devices uh, using the physical cable, wires, okay. So that is called the topology. Topology is nothing but a network connectivity view. We are connecting computer to a switch, switch to a router, okay. So this connectivity view is called uh, topology. Topology could be logical and physical, okay. There is one more common topology we use in mainly in service provider network. Okay, that is the ring topology. Ring devices are connected in the round shape. Can you check it out here? Okay, so this is called ring topology. Here is one device, here is one device, here is one device. So all devices connected in the round shape. So this is called ring topology. This topology is very common topology uh, used in the service provider network. Okay. This is star topology, one device at the middle which is connecting multiple devices around it. Okay, this is called star topology. It looks like a star, so that is why it is called star topology. It could be logical or physical. So topology definition is network connectivity view. It could be logical view or it could be physical view. Okay, so let's see what next. This is full mesh topology. What is full mesh? When all devices will be connected with all other device, uh, like this could be a WAN connection or this could be a local area connection in switch. Okay, so if we think about the WAN, okay, so this could be your router, this could be your router, this could be your router, and they are sitting in different location. Maybe this one sitting in Kolkata, this one Chennai, this one Mumbai, this one Bangalore, this one Hyderabad, this one Delhi. Okay, so different cities are connecting using the WAN connection, and all the routers now are connected with each other using the WAN. So this is called full mesh connectivity. So full mesh connectivity is little costly because we need a multiple WAN connection to connect all the routers together, but we can get maximum uptime. We can get maximum for redundancy on the full mesh. So if Kolkata is sending some information to the Chennai, okay, it can use this link right here. Okay, if this link goes down, immediately this router will change the path, or it may send the data using Mumbai router or via Mumbai router. Okay, so here we can get maximum redundancy, but this topology is costly because we have to pay for the WAN connection to the service provider. because service providers uh, will be involved while we will be doing the WAN connectivity, because we cannot lay the cable and service provider has a permission to lay the cable city to city, even enter state or country. Okay, so they lay the cable in each and every locations in the country. Okay, so wherever we have our office, they can do they can provide the connectivity based on the WAN connection availability. Okay, there are a lot of WAN connections. Well, I'll be discussing those WAN connection in the WAN section, but this is a topology, and we'll talk about only the topology side. So topology is nothing but a connectivity view, and this is one kind of topology which is very costly, but it can provide you the maximum redundancy. Okay, uh, but this type of connectivity not required, and very few companies are using this type of WAN connection because this is very costly, and very few companies can bear the cost of this type of connection. So full mesh is really good but costly. Okay, and if it is the if it is LAN connection, that will be locally, and we can lay the cable, and we have to do one-time investment. We can put maximum redundancy at the LAN, because every month we don't have to pay to the service provider, because that will be our own network. At the LAN side, you can use this type of full mesh connectivity. But the WAN, you have to think about your budget, and you have to choose the WAN connection. Okay, and you have to choose the number of connectivity you can do between your branch offices. So it's all about budget, and this type of WAN topology, very few companies are using. Okay, let's see next. Yes, partial mesh. This is nice one. Guys, maximum companies they are using to connect their branch offices using the partial mesh, because partial mesh has a less, you need a less budget, but you can get the redundancy as well. So this if this is a router, this is a router, this is a router. Probably this is a Kolkata router, this is Chennai router, this is Mumbai router, this is our Bangalore router, this is Hyderabad router, this is our Delhi router, right? So if Kolkata router is sending some information to the uh, Chennai router, okay, it can use this link, and if this goes down, uh, now Kolkata router can send information to Chennai router using the Mumbai router, right? Because this link is up and running. So why we need full mesh? Partial mesh is enough. Why? Because in maximum time, you will see you will find that one connection may go down, but another connection, if it is up, then it can carry the data over that connection. Okay, so partial mesh is a good design for the network. It will save your budget, and you will get the redundancy as well. Okay, so few routers has the connectivity to few of them has a connectivity to all other routers. This one maybe this router as well. It has, because when the network designer is designing the network, it will check out which branch offices has a highest priority, means which branch is giving more revenue to the business, because that branch, that office network will be highly most important network, because if it goes down for a couple of minutes or couple of seconds, a company may lose a lot of can lose a lot of money. So that's why uh, they will just talk with the management, and they just do this type of design, because uh, the branch office which is giving more revenue, it will they will put more redundancy on it. Okay, so this branch has multiple connection, means this router has connectivity to all other routers, and this router has connectivity all other routers, but rest of all are having only few connections. Okay, so this is basically a design part, and uh, this is basically a design part. And while you are doing the WAN connection design, you have to keep in mind the business requirement as well. Okay, so maximum sorry, maximum companies, they will be using the partial mesh topology. It will save your money or save your budget, as well as you will get maximum uptime. You will get redundancy as well. I won't say maximum, but you will get the redundancy as well. Okay, so this is the topology, and this is all about the network connectivity view. It will be physical or it could be logical. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and